Let's discover some tricks for the home that you didn't know about. Does the roll of aluminum foil not open well? Let's see how to resolve this problem quickly. Rub a ball of aluminum on the foil, and there you go. Perfect! Tie together 2 toothbrushes with zip ties. There you have it, a useful brush to clean your oven's grills. Very effective. Here is a way to organize your shopping bags in no time. Easy and practical. This trick will save you a lot of time when you use tape. All you need to do is attach a zip tie and cut off the end. Genius! Does the pot not fit inside the fridge, but you want to save it for later? Unscrew the knob. Then screw it on the other side. A space-saving and time-saving solution. Even radiators should be cleaned regularly. Let the water run and remove the hard-to-reach dirt. Here is an idea for removing hairs from clothes easily. Incredible! Here is a useful trick for powdery food. Make an X on the aluminum film and make a window with a penknife. A practical way to store the measuring spoon and to use the correct quantity. Useful! Here are a few tips for the laundry. Insert a ball of aluminum foil into the washing machine and it will wash your clothes better because the aluminum will remove static electricity. The effect of the aluminum on your clothes will be similar to a fabric softener. This solution will allow you to limit the amount of detergent you use for the laundry. And that's not all. Don't forget to clean the window after every use. To prevent mold and foul odors, and to clean mineral buildup, use vinegar. Now put to use those many useful tips.